For this mutton curry, I'm using 1 kg of mutton with bone pieces. We need 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon red chili paste, 4 to 5 green chilies, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 3 teaspoon dhania powder, coriander, 3 teaspoon jeera powder, cumin powder, 3 teaspoon meat masala powder, 4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 4 to 5 bay leaves and salt to taste, 6-7 large onions, 4 small potatoes, 2 tomatoes. Now add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon meat masala powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon mustard oil, and 1 cup of curd. Now give it a good mix. I'm gonna marinate it for 5 hours. No need to add salt while marinating because mutton is juicy. If you add salt, it will remove all the moisture. I'm using mustard oil here. Now add the bay leaves and the onions and saute it till onion turns the color to brown. Now add the ginger garlic paste and the red chili paste too. Keep the flame medium. Make sure you don't burn the onions. Now add the mutton pieces. Mutton takes time to cook. Keep cooking your mutton. Keep giving your mutton a good stir. Now add the rest of turmeric powder, all the masala, meat masala, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, and now add salt to taste. After giving a good stir, cover it with a lid for 2-3 minutes. You'll see mutton start releasing juices. Now add potatoes and tomatoes and give it a good stir and cover it for 5 minutes. And after that, the process of oil separating. Oh, see what a wonderful color. My mouth watering. Now transfer the mutton to a pressure cooker and add 3 regular glasses of water. Cook this mutton with 8 whistles. After 8 whistles, switch off the flame and wait for 10 minutes to cool down your pressure cooker. Get your mutton curry, wonderful. Your mutton is ready now. Now serve it with rice, roti or pulao. Thanks for watching this video.